This is the Nokia X10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. So the first step that you need to do is to launch settings. After that, enter the apps category, then go for the default apps, not the dashboard, default apps. Then open the browser app section and select Opera by tapping on it. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let me show it to you as well. So launch the Opera. At the bottom right corner you'll find your avatar, then go for settings by tapping on the cog icon, scroll the page down for a little bit, click on the default browser section. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.